how to change the lock screen background wallpaper on the iPhone 16 series. First, we swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, you want to tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Wallpaper. Now to change your wallpaper for the lock screen, simply swipe across. Now each of these wallpaper here is a wallpaper set. So we got a set for the lock screen and home screen. So to change the wallpaper for the lock screen, you want to swipe across and select any of the wallpaper set that you have previously created. If there are none, like this one here, the only one set available for me to choose, then what you can do is tap on Add New Wallpaper. This will allow you to create a new wallpaper set. So from here, you can choose one from the feature section, or weather and astronomy. And then you got kaleidoscope, emoji. So emojis, there's quite a few to choose from in the emoji section. And here we got Unity, designed by Black creatives and allies at Apple to honor Black history and culture. Then we swipe down, Pride, iOS 18, which is the default wallpaper. And then we got collections. In here we got collections. If you like plain and simple, we can choose color. So create a color wallpaper. Or you can create your own custom wallpaper by simply choose photo shuffle, live photo, emojis, color, astronomy, or weather, or you can choose your own photos at the top here. Okay, so let's go down and go to the weather and astronomy. So we're going to select, say, this one right here. And then what you can do, you can swipe across and select a different style. So we got Mars, moon detail, moon, earth detail, earth, Venus, Mercury. So swipe back and forth to select a wallpaper that you would like to use. And then at the top here, you can customize your font and color for the clock. So here you get different font style. As I tap on it, you can see the preview changes. So I can decrease or increase the size of the font or the text. I can also change the color. So here I can swipe across and select my own color from the color spectrum or from the grid or from the slider. So you can swipe across and select your favorite color. And then we close that. So we close that. At the top and at the bottom here, these are the widget panels. So you can tap on it to add in widget or remove it. So in here, I can go down and add in my weather widget, temperature, conditions, and UV index, sunrise or sunset. You can also add in your wallet, so Apple Cash. If you want to remove it, you can tap on the remove button. Here we can add in a shortcut. And then we can add in some other widget as well. Fitness, so activity fitness. And we can add a Chrome search button. And that's it. So we have 4 widgets added to the widget panel. And then tap on add. And then you can choose set as wallpaper pair or customize the home screen. I'm going to choose set as wallpaper pair. And that's it. So now if I go back to my lock screen, you can see I have now successfully changed my background picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.